Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And yeah, in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can actually save, invest and also make more money with the use of Piggyvest. So first things first, you just want to enter your Piggyvest account. If you don't know how to register, I already created a video on that. It's right at the top on this video. Okay, so first things first, you want to open the Piggyvest. Okay, so I'm using the web version. If you're using the app or you don't know how to download it, all you need to do is to go to either the App Store or the Play Store, download it, and then you register. If you also don't know how to register, you just want to watch my video at the top of the screen right now. Okay, so now I'm going to explain all you need to know about Piggyvest. With the Piggyvest, you can actually save, you can also invest, and at the same time you make more money from your investment or your savings. Okay, so now this is how Piggyvest work. Okay, for the aspect of saving over here, as you can see under the saving, we have piggy bank, we have flex naira, we have save log, we have target, flex dollars, as well as the pocket app, which is linked with Piggyvest. So now piggy bank, as you can see, is basically just a normal saving. Okay, you just want to save your money, you want to remove it from your account, your normal bank account. So you just want to save it somewhere where you don't really have a quick access to it. Okay, so you can just save it here on piggy bank. Probably it's still an amount you just want to withdraw later on. Okay, you don't want any restrictions and the rest, you don't want it to be locked and the rest, so you can actually save your money here in piggy bank. Okay, and if you're able to leave that amount of money, okay, till the certain period of time you actually saved it for, you'll be getting 10% per annum. That's 10% for each year. Okay, so now moving on to the next one, which is the Flex Naira over here. Flex Naira is majorly for emergencies, or you want to withdraw or you just want to transfer to someone. Okay, you don't want a deduction of your money. You want to withdraw your money freely without any deduction. So if you're going to withdraw from your piggy bank, you're definitely going to be having deductions if you didn't reach the time you actually said you were going to withdraw it. You're just withdrawing, you're saving and withdrawing at the same time. You're definitely going to pay for that. Okay, but with the use of flex naira, while you're withdrawing, you're not having any, you don't need to pay any charges and the rest. Okay, so now this is one of the best parts of Piggyvest in terms of saving, the save lock. Save lock and the target over here. So save lock, you're basically locking that money. Okay, so I'm going to click on it right now. As you can see, let's say I have 50,000 naira or 50,000 whichever amount, and I don't want to touch it for like a month or like 2 months or the rest. So you're just going to have to click on create a save lock over here. As you can see guys, we have 1 month, 2 months, 3 months and the rest. So with the use of this save lock, you're not going to be able to touch your money at all till the date you actually set it. So immediately you create the save lock, you send the money into the save lock, you actually enter your password and the rest. You're not going to be able to remove this money no matter what, no matter your situation, till the date it expires. So that's one of the beauty of Piggyvest. Okay, that's why it helps us, strict save, not like you say you want to save and then you're withdrawing the money. That's not saving. And then we have the targets. Targets is probably okay. I want to buy a car at the end of the year. I want to buy a house and the rest. So with the use of target savings, you're able to create a target. You name the target. As you can see, start the personal. Probably want to deal with some people or you want to create a public saving challenge. But this is the best as for an individual. Okay, so you just want to give your target a title. Probably I want to buy a car. Want to buy a car, and then select the category, select the amount you want to aim for, if it's 1 million or something, and then you click on how often do you want to save. Do you want to save anytime, monthly, weekly or daily? So that's another part of the saving of Piggyvest. Okay, that's the target saving. And then we have the Flex Naira, like I explained earlier on. Flex Naira over here. Flex Naira is basically, once again, let me just explain this. The Piggyvest, like I said, you're gonna make more money with Piggyvest. So then, if you're using your Flex Naira, this amount of money where you earn, probably you get an interest, but from your saving and the rest, it's gonna be sent to your Flex Naira. So that's why you can actually withdraw this without any deduction. Okay, and then moving on to the Flex Dollar over here. Flex Dollar. This is basically you basically saving in dollars. Okay, so imagine you actually saved inside this place and you didn't touch it. And in Nigeria we're seeing dollar increasing, assuming you actually bought this Flex Naira. Then by now, if you're withdrawing, you're going to be withdrawing in a very high amount. So that's what basically Flex Dollar is about. You're buying in dollar, you're investing in dollar, and then the more dollar tends to rise, the more your money also tends to rise, and then you can withdraw it later on. So that's basically how it works. As you can see over here, you can convert and see how much your naira would be in dollar, and if you want to withdraw, this is the part for withdrawal, pay to bank. Okay, so that's basically how flex dollar work. And then we have the Pocket app. Pocket app is another part of Piggyvest. Okay, it's a connected app with Piggyvest. Okay, so you can just link your amount of money to that app. Okay, but we're not going to discuss about the app in today's video. So now that's basically about the saving, the piggy bank, flex narrow, save log targets, flex dollars, and also the app, the Pocket app. Now moving on to the investment aspect of Piggyvest, which is the Investify. Okay, yeah, this is actually my bot account. If you don't know, okay, I can't show you guys my major accounts. It's confidential, and it's something that must be personal. Okay, so this is how you invest. Okay, so you just want to click on invest now, and now you have so many categories for investment. You have the fixed income. Okay, that means you're going to be probably getting dividends after some period of time, and at the end of the year, at the end of the period of time, the maturity date, you get probably your capital as well as your gain. Okay, and then we have the real estates. Okay, we have agriculture, we have transportation. So basically these are the basic four categories of investment in Piggyvest. Okay, so one of the best, or two of the best, they usually the fixed income and also the real estate investment. And recently there was a real estate investment that came out, which I already invested in my real account, which is the verified minimalist estate. Right now you can actually invest, and then it's got sold out, but you can actually invest by buying units from other people who were invested then. So if you want to invest, you're just gonna click on, okay, how many amount of units do you want to buy, and the rest. But right now it's actually closed. Okay, and then before you invest in anything, you can actually read about the investment. For example, the real estate again, just click on it. Before you invest, you need to understand what you want to invest in. So that's why you need to click on about this property. So as you can see, you're going to have to go through all this. You want to read about the investment before you actually input your money in it. Okay, so this is basically how it works. And then you invest in, and after a period of time, or probably the maturity date, if the company or the industry is actually gaining, it all depends. No one's going to tell you to invest. Investments are, it's either a good part, you either enjoy gains, or you might actually lose. No one knows what's going to happen, so basically it's just a risk, and everything in life, it's always a risk. So if you're ready to invest, that means definitely you're ready to take risk. So we also have agricultural, transportation, and the rest. So that's basically how the investment works. And the good thing about Piggyvest investment is majority of these investments are usually good, like they always work, because I've actually invested a lot and it always come out well. Okay, and then you're earning more than what you actually invested, so that's one way you can actually make money online with the use of Piggyvest. Okay, so guys, that's basically how Piggyvest works. If you don't know how to set up your account, I already created a video on that. I already dropped it in the beginning of this video, and I'm sure you definitely learned a lot from this video. And if you haven't started using Piggyvest, please, you need to do that, because it's actually one of the best apps you can actually use in saving your money and also investing. And then one more thing I would like to say is, as you can see, the amount of money in this bot account is actually showing. If you like to hide your amount of money, probably you're using your phone, and a lot of people usually use your phone and you don't want your savings to show. All you want to do is to click on this, and then you'll see show dashboard balances. So you just want to unclick this, and then come back to home. You're gonna see it's gonna disappear. So as you can see, this is how it looks right now. Okay, so that's basically how it works. So guys, if you definitely enjoyed this video and you like to see more and more videos from my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and also drop a like on this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.